This is the S09. It's a sophisticated fitness band with a variety of watch faces, easily changeable on the fly. It's got your step count, calories burned, distance traveled that you can track, last night's sleep information. You can easily turn it off. One press turns it back on. Or check any of these things out, including a variety of sports, running, walking, indoor, outdoor. You've got cycling, stair machines, all kinds of things. And you've got find your phone when you're tethered, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring. You've got a stopwatch countdown timer. You can see your SMS messages and others on here. And if you register in the app as female, you'll have all your female cycle information as well. In the overall settings, you can set all these different things, and stuff like information is where you can specify which of these different apps on your phone will send you messages directly to the watch. In here, you can turn on and off alarms, sedentary reminders, and have the twist to wrist to see the time activated or not. It's a nice, overall, fairly bright screen, multiple watch face S09 in silver or black. Check it out.